in the previous classes, we had studied about preposition. You all remember? We had studied what is preposition, how it is used, what are different kinds of preposition, and uh, the sentences in which prepositions are used. Now, today, mute your mics, all of you. Today, we are going to start another chapter in English language, that is conjunctions. Page number 123, that is 123. Now, before starting it, we should know about conjunctions. What are conjunctions? So, in very simple language, if I say, conjunctions are the words which join two words, two phrases, or two sentences. Two words means any two words, Rita and Sita. So, and here is conjunction. Two words are Rita and Sita. Now, which word is joining these two words? And. So, Rita and Sita. And is a conjunction. Now, if I say a phrase, what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which gives us incomplete meaning. Means it does not give us complete meaning. Like under the table. Now, under the table is a phrase. Yes, Arnav. Right. What have Hindi, ma'am? Talk to her. You continue this. TT2 is to be followed. Okay. This message. This message has no. This message has came from father from school that timetable two will be followed this week. So we are following timetable two. And according to it, today is Tuesday. Second class is English. So attend this only. Any other problem? Yes. I am teaching in between. You're saying, ma'am, you are looking. Okay, thank you so much. Now, can we start? So, two words I said Rita and Sita. Okay, so Rita and Sita are two words, and the word which is adding, joining these two words is and. So, and is a conjunction. Similarly, if I say under the table, over the chair. So, under the table is a phrase, means it is giving incomplete and information. Under the table, what under the table? Similarly, on the chair, what on the chair? So, under the table, on the chair. These are two phrases. If I say under the table, but on the chair. So, which word is joining these two phrases? But. So, but is a conjunction. Similarly, two sentences. I like coffee. I don't like tea. So, I like coffee is one sentence. I don't like tea, but I don't like tea. So, here two sentences is joined by one word, that is but, which is conjunction. So now we have come to know that conjunctions are the words which joins two words, two phrases, and two sentences. Clear? Now we are going to study the definition given on page number 123 at the bottom. Read it. A word that connects two or more words or sentences is called a conjunction. Definition of conjunction is clear to everybody? This you have to write in your copies. On a fresh page, you will put heading conjunctions, then definition, and then you are going to write this with two examples. Any two examples you can take from the chapter or the same examples that I have given to you. One example of word, one example of phrase, and one example of sentence. Three examples you write. One example of word means Sita Gita. In between, you will write Sita and Gita. So, and you will underline. And is a conjunction. Then, second example, under the table, on the chair. Then you will write under the table, but on the chair, and underline but. Okay. Then third example, I like coffee. I do not like tea. I like coffee, but I do not like tea. So again, you will underline but. You can write any other examples also. Three examples of your own choice. All right. One example of word, one example of phrase, and one example of sentence. It can be of your choice. Now let's come on to the exercise. Page, same page, Exercise, first exercise, rewrite the sentences after correcting the use of conjunctions. Now, just now in the book, we are going to do these all 9 sentences. Then you have to do these sentences in copy also, in fair copy. Today's work. Okay. So just now only underline the wrong word and correct write the correct word. Full sentence you will write later. Clear? So first sentence it is saying the rain is heavy but the game will not be played. Yes, very good. Here but word. But conjunction is wrong. We have to write the correct conjunction. So underline but and below it write so. Underline but and below it write so. Now what is the new sentence? The new sentence is now says the rain is heavy so the game will not be played. Are you getting it? Then second sentence. We are not going out to play or it is raining. Now here is or the correct word. Underline or and write there because. Because. Yes, very good. We are not going out to play because it is raining. So or is a wrong word. Underline or and write there because. Then she came first in the race, but she was very happy. Now, but again, here is yes, but is wrong. So underline but and write there so. She came first in the race, so she was very happy. The next, I do not like pasta, so do I like pizza. Here is so the correct word? No, so is not the correct conjunction. I do not like pizza, but I do like pizza. So underline so and write there but. But I do like pizza. Done? Okay, then next. Mary has 2 brothers, yet 6 cousins. And so yet is a wrong conjunction here. Underline yet and write and. The next, it is raining or take your umbrella. Is or the correct word? So, yes, underline or and write there so. The new sentence becomes like this: it is raining, so take your umbrella. Okay? Where Lewis needs help, he calls his brother. Where the correct conjunction? No. When. When Lewis needs help. So underline where and write when there. Next, I will take you along because you promised to behave properly. Underline because and write there. Yes, I will take you along if you promise to behave properly. Then last, I would rather read a book while watch television. I would rather read a book than than watch television. Yes, I will read a book. I would rather read a book than watch television. Than than. Okay. Now, but what happened? I do not like pasta. Not but it will be and here. In fourth one, and I do not like pasta and do I like pizza. Put and there, but is not suiting. But is not suiting there. Now, how you have to write these sentences? Listen to the instructions. First, you will copy the wrong sentence. Okay? First, you will copy the wrong sentence. Then, below it, you will write the correct sentence. Listen to me. Listen to me. First, you will copy the wrong sentence. In the wrong sentence, underline the conjunction which is wrong. Okay? And then write the correct sentence. Clear? First, copy the wrong sentence and in that, underline the word which is wrong, which you have to change. And then write the full correct sentence below it. Instructions clear? So, what is your work today? In English language, conjunction definition is clear to everybody. Conjunctions are those words like and, but, if, or, nor, although, okay, though, since. So these are the words which join two words, two phrases, or two sentences. And this is the exercise that all of you have to do today in your fair copies. Clear? What is the first thing that you will do? First, you are going to put the heading conjunction, then you will write the definition and three examples. After writing definition and three examples, you will do this exercise. Yes, but it is not there. It is not print. I don't know it why it is not printed there. It is a printing mistake. You can put the question mark. It is a printing mistake there in the book. Okay. Any other problem? Yes. Third one is so. Underline but and write there so. Yes, Vidhi. Seventh, when. When Lewis needs help. When Lewis needs help. Fifth one is and. Mary has two cousins and six. Mary has two brothers and six cousins. Now who is asking? Yes. Any other issue? Any other problem or doubt? Clear? I'm going to give you the PDF. If anything is not clear, you can see from there. Okay? Now we are going to meet in the social studies class.